go again, Nancy. Take two. So I really quick, along with this email, I sent you the one that we've been using lately, so you can see if there's any differences to the ones you have on file. So what I did was this Tony's Best Way, this invoice was the one that you just sent me, the last one. So what we did was we ran it through our software to see how it would align with it as it's programmed now to fit within these lines. So right away we see some alignment issues. These all need to be in the box centered preferably. These all need to be in the box centered preferably. They're a little high. We can work with it. Most of these look perfect, especially in the beginning. That's perfect. Getting a little smaller, getting a little smaller. Then we got it on the line for some reason. And on the line again, special request, since we're doing all this work anyway. Even on our original, square foot was too wide for our purposes, and we actually need more space for direct description in both the long and the short thing. So if there's any way we could reduce this to where, it'd be like half as much, that would be great for our purposes. If possible, the amount section is fine. The note section, it's coming down low. So over here, it would have fit in right here. It would have started under, and here it's pushing it down really far. And then the other thing is, you can see that these totals look like they're perfect, but actually they've been pushed down too. Now with our software, we can go in and we can spend the time with our engineers, which we've done for invoices before, where there's a problem, an alignment issue. We work with them so that they can change their program that populates these fields, and we can move the text around till it fits our invoice. Problem with this is that strangely we got this printing way too high up, and then we're here slightly high up, and then here we're perfect, and then we're slightly lower, and then we're much lower and much lower here. So if we would try to do it through our software, we could take all the text, our text, here, and we can move it up for it to print higher, or we can move it to print lower, and I believe right or left, but we can't make our text go lower here, and then higher here, because it will move it uniformly, And like I said, this all fits into this one that I just sent you, which if it's not the last printing we do with you, it's the printing previous to that. And it looks very, very similar to us, but I sent you one just so you could see it. As you can see here, this one doesn't have any space underneath here. And again, there's a big space here, so we're guessing that that's throwing something off here. Now, to be honest with you, this we hadn't been able to get perfect alignment on, the total section, but this is kind of really far down there, and obviously we couldn't. It'd be great for it to, obviously be up there. Well, thank you so much for your help again. I'm sorry to be a pain, but obviously you can tell we're just trying to, otherwise we can't use it, right? If it's off. Thank you so much.